Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. I used to think that having modern and elegant lighting was out of the cards for us, but thanks to these rechargeable wall sconces from Neymlya, it was definitely achievable. As mentioned, these are rechargeable, so no electrician, no plugs, no wires, just a couple of screws, and a few minutes later, we were good to go. It really was that simple. I was pleasantly surprised by how bright these are. On the highest setting, our living room was lit, and there was enough of a cast in our kitchen that we could move around. We really did not need any other light on. So if you want these as a main source of light or as accent lighting, I think they will work great. There's also a lot to customize, from the color temperature to the brightness to being able to rotate the light itself 360 degrees. Yes, I know. What's also cool is that it has a memory function. So once you set your light how you want it, you don't have to redo it every time you turn it on. Another big win for me is that it comes with one remote that does not mess with our TV, which can be the case with similar lights. Just make sure to pick up some batteries too, since they are not included. On or off, daytime or night, these sconces are high quality and look beautiful in our home and have been a great lighting solution for us. I definitely recommend them, and that's my point of view.